We got another Oreck orbiter. We like the first one so much we bought a second one. We're going to open it up and show you what they look like when they come in the mail. This is how they're packaged.
Can you get instructions?
Yeah, you get an instruction book.
Just a little warranty number if you need to call it.
Pad driver comes in there. You get a pad driver.
Sit those over here. Quick start.
Yep.
Instructions.
Of course, you get some styrofoam.
Another piece of styrofoam. There's the main unit right there.
Yep.
Put this up here, sit down. There's the core. So there's not much to it.
That's all there is to it. Thank you.
And we wanted to show you also the oscillating motion because I don't know if we ever bothered to show that. So he's going to turn it on for a second.
It's turned off. See how long it runs. And believe me, it runs a while.
I don't think the camera necessarily picks up the motions of it that
The
well.
full effect.
And that's when it's unloaded. When it's on the floor.
It turns like 1,725 orbits per minute. So it's fast.
So that's what that looks like.
Still going.
I'll put the links. I'm gonna put links down below if you want to go look on Amazon, and you can see what the current price on these are. And I'll also put links for some of the other things you might want to get at the same time, so you'll have something to use it with when you get it, because it doesn't come with anything but a pad driver. So thanks for watching. Okay, we're gonna give this a little test run just to make sure it's functioning properly.
And it is. Just like the old one. It's ready to go to work. Yep, it's good. We got another Oreck orbiter. We like the first one so much we bought a second one. We're going to open it up and show you what they look like when they come in the mail.